welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to pause Windows update in Windows 10. You cannot disable it, but you can pause it, and I'm going to show you how to pause beyond 7 days, which is normally shown in Windows update options. For that, go to start and go to settings, go to update and security. Here you will see pause update for 7 days option, but if you want to pause more than 7 days, go to advanced options and come here. So under pause update, you can pause update up to 35 days on this device. To select, just click on the date and select the date you want to pause until. I'm going to select June 8, 2021. So that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.